Have you ever heard of the word Montagnard? It refers to the indigenous tribal people living in the central highlands of Vietnam. Who are the Montagnards? Where does the word Montagnard come from? Why is it important for us to know about this word? To learn more, please stick around because we will dive into the story of the Montagnards. Hi, welcome to the Montagnard Channel. My name is Phĉím. I am a Montagnard from the Jarai tribe. I am currently an anthropology instructor. I teach at a university and different colleges in the United States. In this channel, I want to share our rich history, culture, and our traditions. I will also talk about food, music, dances, languages, and other things that have to do with the Montagnard people. I will share stories of the Montagnard that live in Vietnam, in Southeast Asia, in the United States, and elsewhere around the world. In this video, we will explore the origin of the word Montagnard, its meaning, and the historical context behind it. So let's start with the basics. The word Montagnard comes from the French language. It means mountain people or Highlanders. The French colonial officials used this word in the late 19th and early 20th centuries to refer to mountain tribes living in the central highlands of Vietnam. Montagnards are not a single group of people. Rather, we are made up of about 30 different tribal communities in the central highlands. Each tribe has its own unique language, culture, and traditions, but we are all connected to the central highlands of Vietnam. You can think of the Montagnards as Native Americans. The Native Americans are not a single group of people. They are made up of at least or over 500 different tribal groups. The French colonial officials used this word to collectively group our people from different tribes in the Central Highlands. Perhaps they tried to differentiate us from the lowland Vietnamese people known as the King. I'm sure the French colonial officials wanted to win the hearts and the minds of the Montagnards people. They also wanted us to fight for them against the Vietnamese nationalists who opposed the French colonial authorities. Also, during the Vietnam War, the Montagnards were recruited by the U.S. Special Forces to fight against the North Vietnamese. Members of the U.S. Special Forces started to call us Montagnards in increasing numbers. The word Montagnards became popular during the Vietnam War. The Americans used this word in books, radios, newspapers. Something very interesting, even though this word has colonial root, the Montagnard tribal communities embraced it over time. We use the word Montagnard with pride simply because we want to identify ourselves as separate from the Vietnamese and other groups of people. While many people in the United States and those who are outside of Vietnam that know about our people refer to us as Montagnards, the Montagnards themselves in Vietnam hardly use this word to refer to themselves. Instead, when asked about their ethnicity, they would tell people about their own tribal affiliation. They would say things like, I am a Jarai, I am an Ade, I am a Koho, or Bahnar. They do not say, I am a Montagnard. This is partly because the current government of Vietnam associate the word Montagnard with political movements that supported the French during the French colonialism, and also many Montagnards supported the United States during the Vietnam War. So the Montagnards in Vietnam in general do not use this word, perhaps because they're afraid of the government's retaliation. I really appreciate you taking your time to listen to my talk. If you find this video interesting and valuable, please hit that like button and share this story with your friends. Also, if you want to learn more about the Montagnards, consider subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment, ask a question, and even suggest topics that you would like for me to cover in a future video. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.